morning, or good afternoon, JetBlue 1179 ILS 07.
Nice, great. Continue approach runway 07.
Approach JetBlue 1179.
Tower, confirm flow ready.
We're ready, Southwest 9019.
919, I'm clear to take off, runway 07, waiting 06.
Thank you, clear for takeoff, runway 07, Southwest 9019. JetBlue 1179.
Blue 1179, continue approach, runway 07. Thanks to tower, clear to land, runway 07, wind 06014.
Clear to land 07, JetBlue 1179.
919 airborne, 09 contact sangster radar, 120.8, good day.
120.8, Southwest 9019, good day.
Ramp 11, vacate runway via taxiway Alpha. When clear, runway contact to sangster ground 121.7. Good day.
2171 clear, JetBlue 1179.
273 sangster tower, confirm flow ready.
273 will be ready at runway 7.
273 sangster tower, roger. Clear takeoff runway 07, wind 07014.
Runway 07, clear for takeoff, Southwest 273.
To tower, confirm flow ready.
JetBlue 22.
522, roger. Line up wait, runway 07.
7, JetBlue 522. Airborne 14, contact sangster radar 120.8, clear. 120.8, Southwest 273, good.
Two sangster tower, clear takeoff runway 07, wind 07014. 222 Airborne 16, contact sangster radar 120, Desi.
JetBlue 522.
Number 2 behind Southwest.
To runway 7, by Southwest, Legion 7007.
47 taxi Foxtrot Alpha number 3 behind Allegiant.
Alpha number 3 behind Allegiant, Copa 147.
Tower frequency 11875.
0.75, Southwest 2482. 482 will be ready to end.
Southwest 2482, sangster tower, roger. Runway 07, wind 06012, and no delay.
Alpha 07, copy winds, no delay, Southwest 2482. For Frontier Flight 49, just inside of Moxie.
Sangster tower, roger. Continue approach runway 07. And traffic westbound, Cessna 206, climbing to 1,000 feet, currently at 900 feet. We'll be north and clear. He's currently 5 miles from the field.
Look at Frontier Flight 49. Allegiant 7007 is ready in sequence.
7007, sangster tower, roger. Hold short runway 07 and stand by. Have one arrival prior to your release.
JetBlue 2427 ILS runway 07.
2427, sangster tower, roger. Continue approach runway 07.
Continue JetBlue 2427.
2427, reduce to minimum approach speed.
To approach speed JetBlue 2427.
Southwest 2482, Airborne 27, contact sangster radar 120.8. Good day.
Departure 120.8, Southwest 2482.
Frontier 49, sangster tower, clear to land, runway 07, wind 06013.
07, Frontier Flight 49.
JetBlue 2427, traffic, Cessna 206, heading westbound, climbing to 1,000 feet, approximately 8 miles from the field. We'll be north and clear up the approach path runway 07.
JetBlue 2427.
Airbus traffic on short final, line up and wait behind.
The Airbus will line up and wait runway 7, Allegiant 7007.
Arrive 30, vacate via taxiway Bravo. One clear contact ground 121.7.
Bravo 121.7, Frontier Flight 49.
007, sangster tower, wind 06013, clear takeoff runway 07.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, Copa 147, racing holding point runway 07, we are ready.
47, sangster tower, roger. Hold short runway 07, stand by.
Hold short, Copa 147.
Blue 2427, sangster tower, clear to land runway 07, wind 06013.
07 clear to land, JetBlue 2427.
007, Airborne 31, contact sangster radar 120.8. Good day.
That's how I thank you, Legion 7007.
916, sangster tower, roger. Continue approach runway 07.
Continue the approach runway 7, Southwest 916.
Oh, 147, sangster tower, line up and wait runway 07.
Runway 07, Copa 147.
24 vacate via high speed, ground 1217 wind clear.
Vacate via Bravo on 1217, JetBlue 2427.
Tower wind 070 at 11 knots. Clear takeoff runway 07.
Hello, American 975, 3,200 with you on the ILS DME runway 7.
75, thanks to Tower, continue approach runway 07.
Yeah. Continue approach runway 07, American 975.
Nine 16, thanks to Tower, clear to land runway 07, wind 060 at 13.
And runway 7, Southwest 916.
Copa 147, contact radar 120.8, good day.
Good day, Copa 147.
Three 49ers, thanks to Tower, line point runway 07.
8 on 7, American 1349.
Southwest liner 16, around 37 vacate via taxiway Bravo, ground 121.7 clear.
Vacate via Bravo, and you stay over to ground 21.7, Southwest 916.
Over to ground 121.7, good day.
7, good day, Southwest 916.
Off runway 07, wind 070 at 12.
Copa takeoff on 07, American 1349.
Thanks to Tower, clear to land runway 07, wind 070 at 12.
Clear to land, runway 7, American 975.
1349, airborne 39er, contact sangster radar 120.8 today.
13,400, climbing 5.
Change frequency 120.8.
Sorry.
Around 41, vacate via high speed, ground 121.
Hit it to high speed and ground when clear for American 975.
File 7, thanks to Tower, confirm full rate.
American 857.
7, thanks to Tower, electrical clear takeoff runway 070 at 13.
2007, American 857.
Tower, Southwest 583, turning final at Omax East, runway 7.
3, thanks to Tower, Roger, continue approach runway 07.
Approach the runway 07, Southwest 583.
583 Sangster Tower, clear to land runway 07, wind 08014.
Clear to land, runway 07, Southwest 583.
857 airborne 43, contact Sangster radar 120.8 today.
Hey, good day, American 857.
1146 at 3000, ILS DME runway 7.
1146 Sangster Tower, continue approach runway 0.
The ILS DME 07.
5 Sangster Tower, roger, continue approach runway 07.
For 07, American 875.
Five 83 around 46, vacate runway via taxiway Alpha, wind clear, contact ground 121.7.
And Alpha, ground point 7.7, once clear, Southwest 583.
46 Sangster Tower, clear to land runway 07, wind 07012.
7, yeah, 1146.
Around 49er, vacate runway via taxiway Bravo, wind clear, contact ground 121.7.
21-7, 390 at 1146 today.
Clear to land runway 07, wind 060 at 12 knots.
07, American 875. 1 over Omoxie to ILS DME, runway 07.
1801 Sangster Tower, roger, continue approach runway 07.
07, Delta 1801.
Eight 75 around 53, vacate runway via taxiway Alpha, wind clear, contact ground 121.7.
121.7, American 875.
1801 Sangster Tower, clear to land runway 07, wind 06013.
Land runway 7, Delta 1801.
Alright, sorry, ready at the end of 07.
683 Sangster Tower, roger, hold short runway 071, arrival prior to your release.
Okay, well, that's right.
Tree Sunset Tower, Apple Wait, runway 07.
Apple Wait 07, yeah, 683.
Runway 01 around 56, vacate via taxiway Bravo, contact ground 1217, wind clear.
Clear Delta 1801.
1683 Sangster Tower, clear takeoff runway 07, wind 06012.
Stop, 07.
American 1766 is with you. ILS 07.
1766 Cincinnati, roger, continue approach runway 07.
And runway 07, American 1766.
766, I say again, continue approach runway 07.
Continue approach, American 1766.
Ted 1683 airborne 58, contact radar 120 decimal, good day.
Radar now, United 1683, good day.
270, ready at runway 7.
70 Cincinnati, roger, clear takeoff runway 07, wind 06012. Disregard. 766 Sangster Tower, correct for that runway 07, wind 060 degrees at 14 knots.
And runway 07, American 1766.
Towers. The Tomjet 854 heavies, fully established runway 07, 9 miles.
54 heavy, Sangster Tower, roger. Continue approach runway 07.
Continue approach 07, Tomjet 854.
1766 arrived 05. Vacate runway via taxiway Bravo, contact ground 121.7, good day.
Bravo, ground decimal .7, American 1766.
Five four Sangster Tower, request to land runway 07, wind 060 at 15.
07, Tomjet 854.
H54 heavy around 08, vacate runway via taxiway Alpha. When clear runway contact ground 121.7, good day.
Okay, Alpha 117, Tomjet 854.